There are a lot of reasons to see a barber. If you're thinking of changing your hairstyle, if you want a hot towel shave, if you are into especially complicated haircuts, or a simple fade, which is terribly hard if you're trying to do it yourself. Now that barbershops and hair salons have temporarily closed their doors, you may want to turn to at-home grooming products to keep up with your routine. There are plenty of accessories that can keep you feeling freshly coiffed without leaving the house, but navigating products like hair trimmers and beard trimmers online can be difficult. Here are the best hair trimmer for men to buy in 2020. At number 5. Remington Virtually Indestructible Barbershop Clipper. Engineered tough to last a lifetime. The Remington Virtually Indestructible Barbershop Clipper features a high-impact polycarbonate casing to protect its powerful interior. A super magnet motor drives maximum power to the precision ground blades for 2x faster cutting performance than previous Remington models, and the exclusive power cut blade system keeps the blades properly aligned for a smooth, even cut every time. Plus, the 15-piece kit puts the final touches on your haircut with length adjusting combs, a beard brush and styling comb, blade oil and guards, and a storage pouch to keep it all together. Number 4. Babyliss Pro Barberology Metal FX Series. The powerful Babyliss Pro Silver FX870S professional clipper features a brushless Ferrari-designed engine, which produces higher torque than a standard pivot motor and is more durable. Moreover, the clipper generates a 5 to 10 taper control for speed and precision. The FX870S features a lithium battery for up to 2 hours of cordless runtime. The clipper is designed with an all-metal housing or knurled barbell grip. Number 3. Remington Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit. haircut into a DIY project. This self-haircut kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the curved blade works with the natural shape of your head so self-haircuts are comfortable and precise. Plus, it's 57% whiter than standard haircut clippers, so you can get the job done fast. Lithium power provides 40 minutes of cordless runtime, and corded or cordless function ensures you have enough power to finish what you started. Number 2. Wahl Professional 5-Star Magic Clip. From Wahl Professional's commercial-grade line of products, the 5-Star Barber Combo is intended for professional use only and is designed to deliver the complete, sharp, and reliable performance that experts demand. This combo offers 2 great hair care products in one convenient package. The Legend is a fast, cool-running clipper that features crunch blade technology with an enhanced taper for clean cuts and longer throws. Paired with this ultimate fading tool, the Hero is a miniature T-blade trimmer that has all the power of a normal clipper and is excellent for lining and artwork. For your convenience, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Barber Combo comes with all accessories required for professional use. At number 1. Andis Master Cordless Clipper. Andis Master Cordless Lithium-Ion Clipper, CL12470, the classic performance you expect from the Master, now with cordless freedom and convenience. Lithium-ion battery delivers over 90 minutes of non-stop runtime, charges in just 1 hour. Extremely powerful, high-speed rotary motor with blade speeds over 7,200 SPM, featuring constant speed technology, won't drag or stall. Unbreakable, lightweight aluminum housing for years of dependable use. Carbon steel blade is adjustable from fine to cordless operation. Features an LED light to indicate battery power levels. Weighs less than 10 ounces, perfect for all day, ergonomic use that won't weigh you down. Cordless operation for reliable power to last you all day long. High speed, adjustable blade. Can be zero gapped, features up to 2 hours of run time and charges in 90 minutes or less. Thank you for watching about top 5 best hair trimmer for men in 2020. If you want to know about the best deal of these products, we have put a link in the description section below.